Good afternoon. So today's video is going to be my training in a week. So this is like my winter build phase, I guess, for the start of next season, just so that I'm fit for all the endurance rides and stuff that I would want to be doing. So yeah, I just thought I would take you around. Well, first day is Zwift indoors. It is Monday. So yeah, this is my session for today. So I'll catch back in with you at the end of the session. This kind of week is not going to be that exciting. It's going to be quite basic, steady workout. So, I mean, the one that I did today is like 2 lots of 20 minutes at like 210, 20 watts or something. That's just to build like the base of my endurance, and then, well, you'll see as it progresses. I'll do a few of these, like maybe intermittently, maybe one a month, to see how my training progresses over the months. But yeah, that's basically what I've done today. Effort wise, it's pretty steady. It's not like, even though I'm sweating, it's just because it's hot, it's not difficult. It's kind of, and the coach who I'm with Transition Cycle Coaching, Jody, the guy that runs that, he says that the session should almost be like a niggling. It should never be, well, for my train anyway, he said that it shouldn't be like I physically cannot do this. It should be like a niggling, like feeling like you know you can do it, but it's just like annoying, if that makes sense. Anyway, I will stop chatting. I'm going to get some water, have a shower, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's training. Good morning. It is 5:58, I think. It's quite specific. Today's session is a gym session, hence why I'm not on my bike. So yeah, I'm going to be starting to do more weights in winter. I did used to actually not really enjoy it, but I've really grown to really like the weight session. It's not very long, probably only about 40 minutes, 30 minutes. I think the thing that I didn't like about it, sorry, my nose is running, it's pretty chilly, was because I didn't really know what I was doing, and I felt like maybe a little bit, well, I felt a bit self-conscious. I was like, all these proper gym goers are going to be like, what is she even doing? Yeah, I've got more confident doing it now, so yeah, that is what I'm doing. Yeah, it probably took me about 30 minutes. If you want an actual full updated gym video, let me know and I will share what I'm doing. Oh my god, is it raining? No cycling today, just the gym session. Good morning. Today is I'm trying to think what day it is. It's Thursday. Yesterday was the rest day, and today is another 2 blocks. This session is 5 minutes each longer on each block, so the same watts, but just slightly longer. Good morning. It is Friday and I'm off to the gym for my second session of the week. So my trainer Scott, who does all my like plans and stuff for what I'm doing in the gym, he's always like, it was for ages, it's like, you need to start going twice a week, and I'm like, yeah, I will. And now it's winter, I'm like, yes, I will go twice a week. I need to go twice a week, but I'm in shorts. What am I thinking? It's freezing. So because it is the same as what day was it? I did the other one Tuesday. God, I can't remember one day. So it's the exact same. Right, heading now. I will see you in a little bit. Yeah, there's too many people in there to film, but it was literally the exact same session as one I did earlier in the week. I've got to be honest, I used to really dislike doing weights. I don't know, like, if you put me on a bike for, well, you've seen, for as many hours as I want, I just begrudge doing like half an hour, 40 minutes in the gym, but I've really grown to enjoy it. You are wanting to get into weight training to like add on to your cycling, start really steady. When I first started, I was so sore, and yeah, and the stuff that I'm doing, the stuff that Scott plans for me, it's really gradual increments. It's nothing like crazy big. I think that was the main thing that I was surprised by. When I thought it was going to be weights, I thought it was going to be like screaming in the gym, like, ah. That's what in my head, that's what people did when they did weights, and it's not. It's just really small, gentle things. What I just get told, it's consistency. It's not necessarily about going and doing just everything you can. It's like the bike. Consistency is key. So yeah, right. See you later. So that is my week of training, and I thought I wanted to come on and add, God, I can't even speak. I wanted to come on and add that sometimes it will vary slightly. That actual core set of training that I've shown you is what I'm doing week to week. But for example, like tomorrow I'm going to go and do park run. So there would be that additional kind of exercise if you want, extra bit of training. And also, like, if I'm commuting to work, but I don't see the commutes as training, they are just commute. So if I'm riding to the shops or riding to work or doing whatever, that would be the only extra bit that I would do. But generally, that is like my core bit of training, I guess, for winter. So I hope you found it helpful, and maybe if you want to see how it progresses, maybe I'll do one in like 6 weeks or however long, just to show you like the variation in it, because the intensity changes and the duration of the intervals and stuff changes. So maybe that would be one if you're interested in seeing that. So I reckon that's it for this video. I will see you on Monday for another video, and hope you're gonna have a good weekend. Maybe you're already watching this, maybe it's Saturday and maybe you're already watching it. Anyway, I'll stop rambling and I'll see you next video. Bye!